How to customize forms and letters within CTS. CTS has more than 450 USPTO forms and letters that are customizable and you can send within a case. So when you're in a case, let's go and select US pattern case, any case. You can see this in the actions, this small icon that says print. Click on print, and by default from the user preferences will open the forms in Word. From here you can go ahead and select the letter that you want to send or to customize. Select and click on merge form. Make sure when you do this process there is no Word document open, because we notice that if there is a Word document open, make sure you don't have any Word document open when you try to merge this form. Click on merge form. It will open two Word documents and a small pop-up window. Always click on yes for this pop-up window, otherwise it will lose the connection with the $temp folder, which auto-populates the data from a case. Even if you run the wrong report, always click on yes. It will open two Word documents. One is going to be the pattern file that you can customize, and the second one will be the report. So this is the pattern file, and I can distinguish them. If I see the name of the file, it's $PA6900. I will go ahead and close this, and I will go to my to my letter, and I can see the letter that I just print within a case. If I want to customize a letter, I just go ahead and select the letter. Click on Add Edit Form Link. From here, by default the word processor is Word. I will make a copy. I'll rename my new letter. Make sure there is no empty spaces. If you need to use empty space, go with the underscore or a dot. Also change the pattern file, but make sure you change before the .doc. So you can change this pattern file. I always go ahead and type some numbers before the pattern file, and I click on OK. And now you can see I have the new letter underscore .1, which is my form link name, and the pattern file is different from the original one. From here, if I want to add fields, because I want to customize, or also to add some text, first go ahead, click on fields here, and you can see the fields which are already available to enter. And from here you can see the fields which are available for you to add on the letter. If you want to add more, you just go ahead and probably let's go and select something with a case. Let me just find something here. Perhaps date last change. Double click, it will go and add on the bottom. So if you want to add, just double click or just select the field and click on add, and it will add it here. Don't worry if it's last. It's maybe better because when you go and search for the merge field in Microsoft Word, it will be on the bottom, so it's easier to find the last fields you add in CTS. It will be easier to find them in Microsoft Word. So just go ahead and delete one because I don't need two of them, and click on save. When I go to the description here, if I click on X, it will ask me if I want to build a sample record. So you will click yes, or I can just click on build sample record here, and it will build in the background. I will close this window. I go back to client letters, and now I can go ahead and search for my new letter that I create. There it is, new letter underscore dot one. Click on merge form. To Word documents, click yes. And now on the pattern file, if you minimize and go to the letter, to the actual letter, you can see, it's the same one. Yeah, it's the same from the copy, because we just make the copy, and now we'll go ahead and now we'll go, it's the same, and now we'll go ahead and customize the pattern file. So I will close this, don't save. I'll go open the Word pattern file and start working on this pattern file. So I will type here test, then I will go ahead and add the field that I just add in CTS. I go to mailings, insert merge field, scroll down, date last changed, I will just enter here, and then go, let me just see here, and then I'll go ahead and type today's date. Today is, and then today's date. Client law firm organization. After the title, which is the case title or mark, I can just go ahead and type something different, or after dear, and then I test client. This is just some text that I'm just entering here to distinguish the one before and after the customization. Make sure you save, click on save, and close this. Once you customize, you go back to CTS, click on new letter underscore dot one, click on merge form, two Word documents will open, always click on yes. This pop-up window. So I have the pattern file, I will close this, and then I will go ahead and see my actual customized letter. So I have test, the date last changed, today is, today's date, and then the one that I just enter the text here, which is the test organization, and the text that I also changed was dear and then test client.